to create dark backgrounds on any photos. First click on Light. Increase exposure to plus 0.50, then increase contrast to 10. After that, decrease highlights to 35. Also decrease shadows to 100. On blacks we would also decrease it to 52. Then increase whites to 30. Or now go to Effects Vignette to -39. Is up to 10. Increase clarity to 4. Then go to Color, tap on Color Mix. Click on red color, decrease the saturation to -100. Then go to orange and decrease its saturation up to -37. Then go to yellow and decrease hue to -34 and saturation to 23. After which go to green and decrease saturation to -100 and do the same for all other colors.